Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today we have a special guest, my daughter Catherine. What are we making today?
Today we're going to be making lemon bars.
We have pre-measured all of the ingredients and we're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of butter, which usually is 1 stick, the zest from half a lemon, and we're going to show you how to zest a lemon, a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Use a zester to zest 1/2 of a lemon. If you don't have a zester, you can use a carrot peeler. You will end up with very big pieces that you will have to cut later. Blend flour, butter or margarine, the powdered sugar, and the lemon zest. And mix them all together until mixture resembles fine cornmeal. Line the bottom of an 8-inch by 8-inch baking pan with baking paper or parchment paper. Pour the mixture into the bottom of the ungreased paper-lined pan. Scrape all excess from the bowl with a rubber spatula. Press evenly into the ungreased pan with the back of a spatula. Bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Carefully cut the lemon and squeeze the juice to get 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add eggs. Beat the eggs with a whisk. Add granulated sugar, baking powder, salt, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula. Pour the mixture over the crust, scraping down the bowl with a rubber spatula. Place carefully back in the oven. Bake for 12 to 18 minutes. Do not overbake. So after your lemon bars are cooled off, you can sprinkle some powdered sugar on top of them. So should we try them, Catherine?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. What's the verdict?
They're good.
They're excellent. They're really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed them.
Excellent.